Let me show you easily the best value for money, high performance headphones that you can get. So we have the newest Cambrian model over here. By the way, thanks ROSESELSA for sending this over to check them out. So for literally right around $50, not only we get insanely build quality, also literally 100 hours battery life, very good noise cancellation, and when it comes to features, really they are packed to the brim. Inside the box we get our headphones in a very nice packaging. When it comes to design, these are absolutely awesome. And if you look at the build quality, these definitely feel way more premium than the price suggests on these. So also we have very nice headband here, very soft. So yeah, this headband actually is made comfortable as well. Also the air cuffs as well, very soft to the touch. Also we can easily adjust these in pretty much any way. Also these adjustments, for example over here, are also very gradual and very nicely finished overall as well. So yeah, it will pretty much fit anyone. And we can fold them as well in multiple different ways. Also inside the box we even get our 3.5mm cable as well, and also a shorter cable to charge them. So yep, what's absolutely awesome, we can even use this in a wired mode. So at this price you actually rarely ever see this. So when we check the functions, so you see you can literally plug this in over here and also even use them in the wired mode. Okay. So also we get the active noise cancellation button here on the headphones itself. So again, you do not have to go anywhere in the app to change the different active noise cancellation modes. We have the volume adjustments here and also our power button and our Type-C to charge them. By the way, these headphones also are even getting 5 internal microphones as well. Also, we are getting a very decent app on these as well. So where you can, for example, see your battery level, also customize noise cancellation here. When it comes to noise cancellation, I'm also actually very impressed in these. In fact, if you compare these versus maybe some other, even some $100 headphones, these are pretty much comparable. So again, at this price, this is probably the best active noise cancellation I have actually seen on a headphone. So absolutely awesome. Also we can reduce maybe some low frequency noises, maybe some wind as well. And also we even have transparency mode as well. For example, if you still want to hear maybe someone talking with you while you are wearing these, so simply enable these and they will actually still let in the voice. By the way, also I find these cuffs basically as well are also very good fitting, at least for me, and also very comfortable. So not only they're actually comfortable, but also they actually provide you with a very good like passive noise cancellation as well. So when you are wearing these, again, these actually block out pretty much most sounds without even enabling the active noise cancellation. Also we can enable DAC here as well if you want. Find device here, and also we can customize basically controls on them here as well. So for example, when it comes to sound quality, these are pretty much unbeatable at this price, and they easily match way more expensive headphones actually. So not only they're actually very well balanced, but also, yeah, when it comes to the clarity and crispness of the sound, and basically how it sounds, again, it's very crisp and also natural sounding as well. So absolutely love that about these. Also, these obviously have got quite beefy drivers as well inside. So if you like to listen maybe on a music loader, again, these can actually deliver also like extremely good volume as well. So again, also volume is top notch on these. Even if you crank up the volume to the highest possible levels, still the sound quality is still very stable. Again, there is no crackle or sound distortion even at higher levels, unlike maybe on some other headphones usually at this price. And what about the 100-hour battery life claim? Is that actually true on these? So I have been using now these for a few days, and generally when it comes to battery life, these are extremely solid. Again, at this price, probably one of the best you can get essentially when it comes to battery capacity and actual runtime. But obviously, yeah, these 100 hours obviously is without the active noise cancellation, and also if you listen to them on lower to medium volume. So if you enable the active noise cancellation, also if you like to listen to the highest possible volume, again, obviously you aren't getting the 100 hours on these. And overall, is the new Cambrian headphones actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, if you're looking for extremely well-made headphones that also have got extremely good performance, then these again are pretty much impossible to beat. So not only we get top-line sound quality, also the comfort and noise cancellation, both the passive and active, again, is top-notch and can't really be beaten. Again, also super comfortable. And yeah, when we look at the build quality, again, these look like they're actually maybe at least $100 headphones, not literally 50. So for this price, to get this sound quality, also these very beefy drivers inside, that's completely unheard of. So yeah, if you also want to get them, so I'll leave a link where you can get them for the cheapest price at the moment. So you see literally a bit under $50 with free shipping, and you can get them in multiple different colors. So over here I have this ashy blue, but also we have the black ones and also like this silvery white ones as well. And yeah, for this price, I think these are totally unbeatable. Good luck.